Okay, we're pulling into the dollar store. Remember, we live in a small town. Closest Walmart's about a 20-minute drive away, so dollar stores are pretty much where we have to go for this kind of stuff. I'm going to be looking for another transformer. I know they have some. Well, here I am, and I'm Wayne, in case you don't recognize me in my mask. We're in the dollar store. We live on a little ranch about 10 minutes, 15 minutes outside of a small town of 1,800 people, so we're in the toy section here of the dollar store looking for a transformer. I know they had some small ones. They had a couple of the 12-inch ones because I bought one of them the other day, so we're going to try to find that second one. There's your toys. Sometimes they have them out here on this middle rack. So we'll look and see. Right here's where the other one was. There, it's one sideways in there. Look at that. What is it? Megatron. All right. He'd be a good one. That's a 12-inch one. We'll get him put together. Howdy. Well, we're back from the dollar store, and we picked up a transformer. We thought they would have one. This one's called Megatron. There it is. This is the 12-inch one. At least it looks to be 12 inches. Folds up into a tank. There's the back side of it. We'll get it opened up, show you how to fold it up. Okay, let's get started. Okay, let's open it up. You have to cut all the tape here. There. Lay it down. Hold down things here. They got it tied in here. Okay, we got him out here. Your instructions are on the back. Tell you how to fold it up. There he is. All right. We'll get him folded up here and show you how it works. Alright, let's fold him up. The thing we do is we take the gun off right here. Okay. Then we open this up like that. This up like that. Where he's standing like that. Then we open him up right here. And it folds down like you can see right there. These fold up. Your gun fits in the side right here. Like so. These fit up to the side like that. There's your tank. All right. Let's take him back apart now. Once again, these fold out like so. Okay. Your gun comes apart, pops out like that. These fold back down to the side. His head pops up, comes back up to the top. These fold down. This folds down and over. Down, down and over. Like so. And your gun fits on the side again like so. There he is. Megatron. Alright, we got others. We have smaller ones. This one is the 12-inch one. Go check our playlist called Transformers. You'll see them all different sizes. We have 4-inch, 7-inch, this is 12-inch. We get them up here as quick as we can. And we'll see you next time.